up guys? So we're going home na, no? Gagawa lang tayo ng maliit na episode na parang post-race experience sharing, no? So again, this is my second time coming to MotoGP here in Sepang. So I'd like to ask Tito Ray, kamusta? How's your experience?
Well, first and foremost, this is my bucket list. Aside from
check.
other things, so check na siya ngayon, and boy, what an experience. Wow, grabe.
Ako naman.
Uncle Bob. Uncle Bob, ikaw. Kamusta?
100 meters.
Ano?
Turn left.
Masarap. First time ko rin maka-experience ng MotoGP. Unang-una, papasalamat ako sa'yo, Andrew.
Oh, yes.
At you invited me to come with you guys with Kuya Ray. I really enjoyed it. Kasi
Police reported
yung my
ahead.
experience ko dati sa mga international races, sa ano yun, sa ARRC, sa Asian Road Racing Championship. Ibang
Turn
level
left.
syempre ng MotoGP.
Yes,
At
yes.
syempre yung mga world champions sa yung anong tawag sa anong description mo sa MotoGP?
Greatest show on earth.
The greatest show on earth. So again, thank you Andrew, thank you Ray.
Thank you,
At,
thank you, Drew.
salamat din ako kay Sir Maki Carabien.
Yes, Tito Maki.
Thank you.
We love you. Thank you so much for
And,
the experience.
Yeah, for the experience, and sober talaga. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Wow. And then, siyempre, nakapag-picture tayo with the champions.
With the lot, oo.
And si Alex, di ba?
Oo.
Ang lupit, timing pa. See you next year.
Yeah, see you next year.
Tama ko si Bunso.
So, may tanong ako, Uncle Bob. Since, syempre parati tayo nagkikita sa PSBK. So, we were once rival teams. Kay Mickey ka, kay Romer ako. And you've been to ARRC. So, how can you compare PSBK, ARRC to MotoGP?
In 800 meters.
Day and night.
Turn right.
Day and night, day and
Day
night.
and night. Siyempre, di ba, motor pa lamang parang super high-tech. Siyempre, ang mga PSBK, siyempre, production bike. Pero hindi ko minamaliit yan. Siyempre, dyan nagsisimula lahat, siyempre.
Yes.
Oo. Dito kasi para mga aeroplano na, may mga pakpak.
May mga pakpak.
Tapos
Yung,
mga
nagsasquat yung motor, bumababa yung likod.
Pag straight siya, bumaba yung likod.
Oo.
Siyempre, sa production bike, wala naman
Wala.
ganyan mga ride height device. And then, wala rin sila mga whole shot device. And then, iba talaga ang level ng mga riders dito. Bata pa lang mga yan. Kita mo si Mark Marquez, di ba? Simula yun sa
Pocket bike.
Tapos siyempre, motocross training.
Yes.
PW50.
In 200 meters.
Imagine, we met the father.
Turn right.
Oh.
What's his name?
Julia Marquez.
Marquez.
I call him Papa Marquez.
Marquez. And then isa rin tumabait kausap ko si Randy Mamola, no?
Yeah.
Nakikipagkwentuhan
Shout
siya.
out Randy. Yeah, mabait talaga siya, Even last year.
Walang ere. And then ito naman si the rider from Down Under, Jack Miller. Kinuha pa cellphone ko para selfie siya.
Si Oy.
Oo.
Pero going, oh shit, bawal ko maliwa.
Baka nandiyan si Trump.
Anyways, going back to Randy Mamola. So, share ko lang, last year, we were waiting, kasi he is an ambassador of Monster Energy Drink. So, last year, we were waiting sa hospitality center ng Yamaha for Fabio. So, nakita niya si Mama, he offered Mama a drink. So, binigyan niya ng Coke at saka ng chocolate. Tapos binigyan din niya ako. Tapos, makwento. Tama ka, Uncle Bob. Makwento siya.
In 200 meters.
Makwento siya. Ma-PR.
No, ma-PR.
Yeah, ma-PR siya. Mabait talagang
Mabait.
tao. Yeah. Hands down. Sobrang bait. So, yun. Yeah. Hindi niyo lang kasi makita sa camera pero yeah, ito yung main. Yeah, for the ordinary creatures dito ka pupunta for MotoGP. Yeah.
Kahit ko ba dito ang kakanawa? That's Andrew.
Hey.
That's Kuya Ray.
Hello.
Bye guys.
Yeah, so actually we made the right decision getting a car. Kasi nga going to the track in the morning, walang problem. Marami kang masasakyan, but going home pucha.
Good luck.
Last year, kami ni Mama, we spent 2 hours waiting for Grab. Ganun kalala. So, this is a good decision. No? Ay. So, let's talk about bike exhaust notes.
Oh,
Which one is your favorite sound?
Moto 2 all the way.
Moto 2.
Moto 2.
Yung Moto 2 kasi, hindi basag yung tunog niya eh. Tapos, parang linear yung tunog niya eh.
Triple kasi yan eh.
Oo.
Stripe and-
Pero, triple siya, pero ang tunog niya parang inline 4.
Para siyang, anong tawag doon? Yung mga, anong term doon? Sa mga ano? Ayun. Anyway, sa mga V4, ano mga yun?
Sa V4, maganda. Yung Honda.
Honda for me
Ako
is
rin,
Honda.
Honda rin.
Tsaka pag naka-pit limiter yung Honda, grabe. Ang
Ah,
ingay, no?
Oo.
Pero we're just talking about the sound Pero syempre, mga Ducatisti tayo eh.
Oo, Ducatisti.
Wala
So,
tayo.
syempre number 1. Ducati number 1.
Number 1.
Kami po ang mga Ducatisti na walang Ducati. But our blood is Ducati blood.
Italiano, pero may halong
Italiano.
Espanyol. Como esta?
Well, you don't have to own a bike to be a fan of the brand. Yan.
You just have to
Importante,
love
we
the
support.
sport.
Yeah, we love the sport. Actually, I was happy nga kasi podium si John Mir. Oh. It's they are starting, Honda is starting to bounce back from their dark days with Marquez noon.
Well, grabe si no? Grabe si Alex, no?
Oh, grabe.
Hindi ko napanood paano niya nalusutan si Pecco eh.
Up in the turn. Sa likod.
Ah, really?
Di ba doon tayo sa ano? Di,
Oo.
walk back?
Oo.
Siya, gumanon siya eh.
Ah, yung doon sa far na,
Yeah, oo.
na
Diba, wing side
pakanan?
Oo.
Okay,
Inside
okay.
Doon siya nagusot.
Yun, so it was a great race.
Sayang si Pecco, no?
Well-
What's wrong with Pecco? Chain down?
Chain to tire.
Hindi ko sure.
Either one of the two.
So,
Or
na-DNF
the rider.
Siya, diba? Na-DNF?
Oo.
May problema motor.
Motor ang problema yan.
Did he crash?
No.
Parang hindi.
We just went to the side.
Nagbagal lang
Wala,
talaga
may
siya.
problema motor niya. Pakita laro niya naman eh. Yung tisot eh.
Oo, nung sprint. Well, that's the Pecco of 2025.
Pero
It's either he wins or...
kung nanalo ka ng sprint, then meron kang M3.
Oh?
Di ba?
Ay, di ba Relos?
Di ba? Oh, relo lang. Hindi M3.
No.
M3 is at the end.
No.
Paka-champion.
Yung
So-
every sprint, if you win the sprint, pero nga relo.
Ah, okay.
Yung M3,
If you win the sprint
I think,
total.
hindi. I think it's for pole position.
Most
So-
pole?
Ha?
Hindi, ini-score nila.
Pole or sa panalo?
Pole.
Most pole.
Oh.
At the end.
So they score it yung parang race scoring 25-20
Okay.
ganon. So kung first ka parate, puro ka 25. So it automatically goes to Mark.
Yung pole, pero kung yung finish mo, gold
Hindi, it doesn't matter. Basta yung BMW na kotse is for qualifying. Hindi siya, walang pakialam yung karera doon sa BMW na kotse.
Pero kuha pa rin yan, ni Mark pa rin.
Kay Mark yun, syempre.
Kahit na
Siya pinakamaraming pole. Thank you.
Ma'am.
Well, yeah, sayang wala si Mark pero okay na rin para
give others a
Pag-
chance.
pwede.
You're bad.
Diba?
Hindi, pero Mark learned his lesson from 2020.
Oh, siya pa rin. Yes.
Now he respects his body. Now he respects the recovery period given by the doctors. Yeah. He will not rush into going back into racing because there's no point eh. Champion na ako.
Bakit pa?
Bakit pa ako, 'di ba? Kung sumemple lang ako, mabali pa siya ulit, 'di ba? Next
Saka-
year na lang tayo magkita-kita.
Saka sa napansin ko, may epekto yun eh. Yung absence.
Yeah.
Tumataas ang condition.
Yung?
makikita nila yung value talaga.
Actually, kitang-kita namin kanina doon sa
Kulang
kasi
ng
we were
tao.
on the other side, di ba?
Kulang
Wala,
tao.
hindi puno yung grandstand
Iba yung
from end to
dapat
end.
na-
Oo.
Ni Mark.
Sabi ko nga doon sa kabilang video ko, last year, 8 o'clock pa lang ng umaga, wala ka na mauupuan. Nakatayo na lang sila lahat. Kaya, grabe. Doon mo makikita yung pool at saka yung value talaga ni Mark Marquez. So, yun. Ay, ang dami namin gusto sabihin, hindi na kami makapag-isip. Because our brain we're overwhelmed by the sound, the noise, the smell of the exhaust, the
Lahat.
excitement of the race,
The merchandise?
the merchandise. Oh my God. Kung makikita nyo lang yung dami nung nabili ko. Actually, I can show you. Ang dami ko nabili na merchandise na pambenta. Some will be for my own use. Ngayon, nakabili pa ako ng ano ba nabili ko?
Fridge.
Yeah, Marquez Cup,
Okay.
Jorge Martin Cup, Alpine Stars Cup, Alpine Star shirt, tapos mga magnet na MotoGP. So, medyo kinakabahan na ako ngayon kasi I might exceed the limit of the baggage eh. Pero we'll see, ganun talaga. Sabi nga minsan lang kami nandito, titipirin pa ba namin? Pero nabudol ko na si Tito Ray, kaso ubos na. I think it's not meant for you, kaya naubos siya.
Oo.
You were back and forth eh. Tapos when you were decided, wala na.
Wala.
It's not for you.
Ano yun?
KTM backpack.
Ay,
It's not for him. Yun lang.
Oh.
Si Uncle Bob, marami ring nabili.
pero yung iba, ano lang, hindi masyado mahal.
Hindi, oo. Wala namang problem sa price. Ang importante, happy ka with what
Ayun,
you
to
bought.
purchase,
Yeah, and happy yung pagbibigyan mo. I'm sure magiging happy yung mga yun. Ay, nako.
Correct.
So, yan. We are stuck in traffic. This is the MotoGP effect. Plus the ASEAN meeting something. So, our beloved president, BBM, is here. Shout out, BBM. And also si Donald Trump is here also. Yan. I think kanina yung Malaysian president or prime minister was in the truck. Nanood din siya. Yan. So, this is it. Thank you for watching. Last
See you
words.
soon. See you soon.
See you next year.
Nothing else
See-
to say but
See you next year.
see you next year.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.